Hi, welcome to Maths video class 6th, and we are on revision lesson number 32. So now many of you are coming to school, so no issues, but those who are not coming, please study at home, and if you have any doubt, please send it to me. Okay, so today what in school also we have revised perimeter and area, that is chapter perimeter and area. So formulae, perimeter of a triangle, sum of all three sides. Actually perimeter of any figure is sum of all its side. Okay. So perimeter of rectangle is twice into bracket L plus B. When you solve, first solve the bracket and whatever answer comes multiplied by 2. And if perimeter of rectangle, this formula, and if length is asked and perimeter and breadth is given of a rectangle, then you can use this formula. If perimeter and length is given and breadth is asked, you can use this formula. Okay. So perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by side. So square has only side as dimension. Okay. So there is no need of conversion here. But in this case there can be conversion because length is sometimes length is in centimeter, breadth is in meter. So that conversion you have to just take care. So side, and if you want to find only side with perimeter, then formula is side is equal to perimeter upon 4. Okay. Means perimeter will be given. So you have to divide the perimeter by 4 to get its side. So this is exercise 32A. Now you can see, you find out the perimeter, no need of area. So just AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus FH plus HA. Just add all and get the perimeter. Okay. So perimeter of rectangle, you know perimeter of rectangle. You have to find perimeter of rectangle when length and breadth are given. So P is equal to 2 length plus breadth. 40 plus 30, as it is 40 and this is 35, 75 after adding. I told you to solve bracket first. So 2 into 75, 150. Since both are in centimeter, this is in centimeter. And perimeter is nothing but length of length. So it will always be in mm, cm and m. Okay. Not square. Square is related to area. So hence perimeter is 150 cm. Okay. Now this is the example which has meter and centimeter. Means again length is in meter and breadth is in centimeters. You have to convert this meters into centimeters. So to convert meter into centimeter, you have to multiply it with 100 centimeter. So 8 into 100, 800 centimeter. So that this is not the answer. Now this is centimeter, this is also centimeter. So now I can solve further. So P equals to 2L plus B. 2 into bracket, length is 800 and breadth is 80, right? So just add them. I told you to solve bracket first. So 800 plus 80 is 880. So 2 into 880 is 1760 centimeter. Hence perimeter is 1760 centimeter. First is equal to length is asked. P is equal to 38 centimeter, B is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay. So length is P by 2 minus B. So P is 38 upon 2 minus what is breadth? 7. So 38 by 2 is 19 minus 7, 12 centimeter. B is question mark, P is 3.2 meters and length is 100 centimeter. So this is 3.2 meters, so I have to convert it into centimeters. So I have to multiply it by 100. So after multiplying, I get 320. Okay. So in this case, I had done it directly. I have not converted it separately, but now you can do directly here. So 3. So P by 2, perimeter is 320 centimeter upon 2 minus length is 100 centimeter. So 100 centimeter. Both should be in centimeter. So 2 ones are 2, carry 1, 2 6 are 12, 0. 160 minus 100 is 60. Okay. So rest also that way only, meter, centimeter. So convert this meter into centimeter. So 2 meter is 200 centimeter. Substitute the value, multiply, add, solve the bracket first. After adding, multiply the 2 with this total sum and get the answer. Now side of a square is 1.6 meters and perimeter is what? So perimeter is 4 into side, 4 into 1.6 meter, because side is given 1.6 meter. So 1.6 meter, 6.4 meters. Hence the perimeter of a square is 6.4 meters. Now here the perimeter of square is given 5 meter. Find its side. So what you know, at the starting of the video we have discussed formula. In that, side is equal to perimeter upon 4. Okay. So perimeter is given 5 meter upon 4. It will be 1.25 something, right? So directly you can solve 4 ones are 1.25, or 5 meter you can convert into centimeters. So it will become 500 upon 4. You can directly write, you can directly also divide this. You will get 1.25 meters only. Okay. So 5 by 4 is 1.25 meter, or convert into centimeters. 125 centimeter you will get, or this is also okay. In meters also it is okay, and in centimeters also this is okay. Then question number 8, important type of question. You can see square, rectangle, all those. Sorry, it's not looking like square, but it is a square. Okay, please don't mind. So this is a square. You can see 70, 70, 70, 70. All sides are equal in a square, you know. So what is the question? Question is whether the perimeter of square is greater or the perimeter of rectangle is greater, and if it is greater, then by how much. Okay. So find separately perimeter of square, 4 into side. So side is given 70 meter. Multiply 4 into 70 by substituting the values and get 280 meters. So similarly, perimeter of rectangle is twice L plus B. Substitute value of L and B. So 50 plus 40, 2 into 90. 50 plus 40 is 90. 290 is a 180. So now just compare 280 and 180. So which is greater? 280 is greater. So 280 meters is greater than 180 meters. So perimeter of square is greater than perimeter of rectangle by how much? By 100. Subtract both, you will get the difference also. Alright. So for today, this much is enough. Study well and please take care. Okay. And all the best for your exams.